The Cadillac collection, a gentleman consigned with us. This is one of his beauties. 2015 Cadillac XTS 4 Platinum Edition sedan in radiant silver, and this one is a beauty. Right at the 33,000 mile mark. Clean Carfax, 2-owner car, no accidents, no paint work, confirms miles. Want to see the Carfax? Just confirm with your sales associate. You'd like to see that? Be happy to get it out to you. We also have an open door policy if you'd like a third-party inspector to take a look at this car, make sure it's everything I'm saying it is, make sure it's everything you see in the pictures. Not a problem there. Have them stop on in. Door is always welcome for a third-party inspector here at Unique. Why don't you take a close look at the front end of this car? Extremely clean. You may find one little small speck here or there. I mean, the car has been driven, but you can tell it's been well taken care of. I did notice a little bit of touch up in one tiny spot there. You can't even get it to show up really in the camera, but you can tell the car has been well taken care of. Paint on it, extremely nice shape, stored indoors. Original tires and rims on this one. Now I'm going to tell you where to check out the still pictures, so I'm going to try to hit on all the highlights. Well, not all the highlights, but I will try to hit on quite a few of them. There are a lot in this car. It may be best to call in and consult with a sales associate on it also if you have any questions. But first off, where you can check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this car, the engine bay, the interior, check out how extremely clean it is. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, like I said, consult with a sales associate. 507-386-1726 is where you can call us at. Now, these cars were known for their luxury, ride, quietness, performance, as well as economy. It's a 3.6 liter underneath the hood that's putting out 305 horsepower in a nice sedan. It's plenty of power. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual mode. And guess what? The oil change, tire rotation, and a new battery was just done in April. So this one is ready to go. Turn the key, take it wherever you want. And if you do some traveling, he puts the miles on. This is an absolutely beautiful and stunning car to do it in. Front buckets, of course. Shifter on the floor with a center console. Media center, all climate control, electronic, everything. Right in the center in front of the shifter, followed up at the top of the console. Now, take a look at this rear entertainment system. The media inputs are down in that center, where you can also control the rear climate. Just everything thought of on these Cadillacs. And again, read up on them, read the reviews, raving reviews on this car, how they go down the road, how they perform, the economy of them, a little bit of everything. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, the XTS 4 will be all-wheel drive. See the Platinum logo down here. Your rear parking assist, front parking assist, it will actually sensor all the way around you. The seats will vibrate if you're getting close to something to acknowledge that you notice, that you're aware of that. There's no way I could hit every option that this car has. Again, still riding on the original Bridgestones. The Platinum wheels. Still pictures. Once again, check out the underside, the interior, the engine bay. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Both sets of key fobs are included with this car. Folder receipts, things that were done to this car as far as the maintenance, the upkeep, that is all there. And you can see up and down the side of the driver's here too. Not full of nicks, dings, scratches, same as the passenger side, extremely clean. I want to open up this rear door, show you this rear seat area. It doesn't appear that it's even been sat in. Just look at how clean that is. Door jambs, everything. Side window blinds. Both sides of the car. These will fold down as far as the entertainment screens also. Lock into place when not in use. The headphones are in the center console. as well as the remote. So that is all there. Actually looks like it's still new in the bubble wrap. All right, come up here, try to hit on some of the options. Of course, Bose stereo, power windows, locks, mirrors. Also a memory seating, power seat, both sides, memory seating, HUD, so your heads-up display. The controls here. Of course, all your steering wheel controls for HVAC system, radio, the volume control, temperature control, fan speed control. A lot of stuff going on in the steering wheel. Of course, your telescopic and tilt, all power on this one. You'll be able to get that steering wheel wherever you would want it. Check out the speaker system next to the headrest on each side. Can go on and on and on. You'll just keep noticing more and more things about this car as you go through it. You can also see power sunroof. I'm going to open that up for you too while we're in here, show you where the controls are. All right, let's check out the exact miles. There we go, a little over 33,000, so 33,128. There's your entertainment system, media center really is what it amounts to. Navigation. There's your automatic climate control for both sides. Here is where your power sunroof option or operation is going to be controlled from. Dash not sun checked, good shape. As you can see, no warning indicators, anything like that on. And again, a little over 33,000 miles, 2-owner, clean Carfax, well documented car. Recently serviced with oil change, tire rotation, new battery. You can hardly hear these things run. You can't hear them run when you're in the car. It is that smooth and quiet in there. Slip around to the back. All right, I'm going to take you up to the front. Pause this just 1 second. I want to show you the engine bay just so you all clean and well taken care of it is. You'll be able to see that in the pics as well as any other part of this car. So hold on 1 second. Let's just take a peek under there.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's the hood popped. Okay, if you watched my previous videos before, obviously, you know, take a look at that hood liner. Tell this car has not been driven in inclement weather. No dried salt residue on there from winters, anything like that. I don't know if this car's ever really been driven in the rain. Take a look at this. Very, very clean engine bay again. 3.6 liter V6 variable valve technology. 305 horse. And also efficient. Quiet, efficient, but powerful, economical. Great engine. Reliable. And again, right at what, a little over 33,000 miles, 2-owner. Wow, 2015 Cadillac XTS 4 Platinum Sedan, clean Carfax. Don't wait on this one, folks. It's out of the collection of Cadillacs from a gentleman that brought them down to us to represent for him. And we don't expect any of these to last too long. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.